Hello guys, welcome back to another new video. Today I'm explaining how to default browser in Mozilla Firefox on your PC or laptop. So let's get started today's video. So I hope you like this video. So please hit like button and subscribe our channel. So I just open Mozilla Firefox browser and click full screen and three-dot line and go to setting and start up, and Firefox is not your default browser, so just click make default. So Firefox currently your default browsings. So default browser at now Mozilla Firefox. So I just like dark theme enable. Just click dark and change the theme, and you can light day mode or night mode, just dark and automatically. Then extension and theme, manage Firefox theme and extensions. So color, so manage color, so I just use color green or yellow, so I just add yellow. Okay, and click OK. So zoom, default zoom 100% or 150, and I like always 18 or 19. Okay, so guys, today I'm going to and see you next time another video. So goodbye.